Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It's getting darker and darker by the minute. This is an excellent outdoor shot, and I'll talk a little bit about the camera. This camera is going to be a trial camera for me. I have 30 days to decide if I'm going to keep the camera. My level of keeping it seems to be going more to the return side rather than keeping. For my reasons. I have a lot of reasons, and I do not want to place it on the table. And one of the reasons may be stills. This is not a true dual camcorder in the stills. I'm not happy taking pictures, but I do have to take further tests. I cannot just judge this on a 24-hour period. I will have many videos to come. I want to keep a positive attitude. Newbies out there may be really interested in this camera if the price was a little lower. And too bad you did not look at woot.com. For some of the people, check out woot.com. Today's date, September 24th, 2010, $119 or $129. I chose not to go that route because I already got the camera in hand. What if I get the camera and something's wrong with it? The camera does just fine, do not get me wrong. It may be a little weak in areas, and if I want to compare this just to the Kodak side, stereo internals, the Kodak already has an external stereo, so that equals out. Optical versus digital, we know optical wins. Digital stabilization, both of them have it. It seems to be that the SANY has the better stabilization, if you ask me. But when holding the camera in hand on one of my videos, it was really shaky. But hey, that's me, not the camera or the car. Mic gain control. You can adjust the levels of the mic increasing and decreasing. The Kodak has it, the SANY does not. Auto white balance, both cameras have it, but no manuals on both. In-house editing, no. They both have editing software on the camera, which equals out both cameras. I will have to sit down and really stare and compare and offer both what the cameras have and write it down for you, rather than trying to do this by memory. I will be looking on the online manual only through the USB port of the camera, getting me to the website and showing me some video editing software. And that's how I have to go about it. While I believe the Kodak was directly on the site, but hey, those are the breaks. Can't worry about the little things. I do thank you very much for watching most of the videos, and let me wrap this one up and try to continue on with many videos to come while I hold this camera in hand. Thank you everybody, and I hope you enjoyed the reviews.